fortunate and grateful for giving this opportunity to be here. Started in 2014 in the same place. And Honorable Chandrababu Naidu just said, we're going to see Modi ji to rule this country for 15 years, and it's happening, sir. Chandrababu ji, your prophecy came true. Modi ji, you truly inspired the nation. As long as you are the Prime Minister of this country, our country will never bow down to anyone, sir. The mighty Himalayas will never bow down like that. Under your leadership, Bharat will never bow down. And we really take pride under your leadership, to work under your leadership, sir. We really take pride. And from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kamakya to Dwaraka, and you have inspired everyone, sir. We all rally behind you. The way you have triggered us to serve the nation, the kind of patriotism you have instilled in us by your actions, by your words, by your deeds, and the kind of development you had shown us in the progress. And sir, I'm deeply honored, and for listening to us, for looking at Andhra Pradesh, under your guidance, under your support, we are able to sweep the polls. We got 91%